More than 800 people were killed in bicycle crashes last year, and 45,000 suffered injuries, according to recent government reports. ER doctors say it is one of the most common sports injuries they see in kids ages 5 to 14. In our Medical Minute, why wearing helmets is so important.
They reduce the risk of head injury and death by 45% and are the single most effective safety device to reduce this. Yet less than half of the children ages less than 14 and under actually use them. Studies show that the campaigns that give out free bike helmets do a lot of good, but the main problem with that is that over time, children, while they're initially excited, they tend to lose interest and stop wearing them. And the biggest reason with that is that we have a culture where we don't wear bike helmets. And so the most effective way is going to be for the whole family to use helmets and have the children watch the parents as role models.
Coming up in our next Medical Minute, bike safety tips for the next time you head out on the road.
Today's Medical Minute brought to you by Hospitality Health ER.
Going for a bike ride as a family is not just fun, it can be great exercise. In our Medical Minute, advice from Dr. Jennifer Salinas to make your next bicycle trip a safe one.
Well, the most important is going to be to have them use a properly fitted helmet. One idea is to have the kids pick out their own so that they like it and use it. You also want to try to ride on sidewalks and go in the same direction as traffic, to the far right as possible. You want to use brightly colored clothes in the dawn and at dusk so that cars can see you. Try to use reflectors on the bike and on the clothing. Make sure that loose and baggy clothing doesn't get caught in the wheel spokes and bike chains. And make sure to teach your children to make eye contact with the drivers so that the drivers actually see you and they are paying attention before you cross. Also, you want to make sure to have a bike that fits the child.
Experts say oversized bikes can be dangerous. That's why it's important that your child's feet can touch the ground when they're sitting on their bicycle seat. That's your Medical Minute.